How to install WordPress using cPanel. The easiest way to install WordPress using cPanel is by using one-click apps. Depending on the web hosting that you have, you may have different ways that you can use to install WordPress. The popular one, Softaculous or one-click apps, they both do the same thing. All you need to do is select one-click apps in your cPanel, then press on install. Here select the correct version of the URL for your website, and then provide the name for your website, and here admin username. It's not wise to have admin username as admin, but rather change it to something more meaningful. And the password in this example, I believe it's too weak. You should make it stronger. Then provide your email. As I've said, depending on the web hosting service that you have, you may have all these additional stuff here thinking that's going to help. Well, you may explore some of them, because if it's free, you may think, okay, I may use some of them. But I suggest to you to have a clean installation, because then you know exactly the plugins that you want to use, instead of adding plugins without truly understanding their purpose or usefulness. Then here we have advanced options. Almost all web hosting service providers will give you an automatic backup option. That means you don't need to purchase paid plugins for WordPress to make backups of your installation. Here let's select, you know what, just keep 3 backups and then press install. It is that simple to install WordPress using cPanel. And you can press on the box icon here and you will see your installation, through which you can create backup by just pressing this here. And you can always see your backups as well, because just in case something ever goes wrong with your website, then you have a full backup on your web server. That's why you want to use one-click apps to install WordPress. Then you simply visit your website and visit the login page. That means simply place wp-login.php. Then provide your username and password that you created the installation with, and then log into your installation. It is that simple to install WordPress. Before I close up, I'll just show you where your WordPress resides in your cPanel. You can press on File Manager, then go within public_HTML. That one-click apps went ahead and installed all the folders and files needed for your WordPress installation to work. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.